Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Huawei Nova 8i and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find digital balance. If you will turn on this section for the very first time, your device will ask you to specify who will use it actually. So of course it can be you or your child, and based on your choice probably it will try to show you proper options. So after picking, for example, you will be transferred to the screen time graph, which is right here. And here you can check for how long I've been using this device today. And I've been using it for 20 minutes. I've spent most of the time on the settings, 8 minutes, optimizer, contacts, and the others. Of course, you can tap on it in order to show more, and you will be able to check the screen time. I mean, how much time you've spent using your time on the screen, which you will set. You've got also the app usage, so of course you will be able to check how much time you've spent on particular apps, not only which were shown on the graph, because obviously I've been using much more apps than it was shown. And under it you've got also the unlocks, because your device is counting unlocking. So in my case it was 16 in total. You've got also the total extension time and number of extensions. Of course, you can switch to the last 7 days, and here you will be able to check the graph and the data from whole week. The same situation with the unlocks. Let's get back, and under it you've got the screen time management, which is quite a cool option because you can set first of all the screen time. So if you want to spend particular amount of time on the screen, you can set it. So for example, if you'd like to use your phone for 1 hour a day, you can set it and your device will remind you that you're just using it for much longer, for example. You've got also the app limits, which is also a quite cool option, because if you've got some distracting apps, then you can set the limits on them, so your device probably will limit the notifications from them. And you've got the away time, so if you'd like to have the time for yourself to rest or to work, then you can set away time and your device will probably turn off actually everything in order to reduce the distractions. Under it you've got the digital balance pen, so you can set the pen to change digital balance settings, which is quite a cool option, I think, in case when your child will use this phone, because children may change those options and, for example, elongate the screen time. So after setting the pen, which of course only you will know, then you can prevent the child from that. So actually this is it. This is how to check the total screen time in your Huawei Nova 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.